Here's a look at your daily market report on this Wednesday, the 17th day of September. Take a look at what we're expecting around the auction barns today in the state. Windsor Livestock Auction, expecting about 1,500 head. Green Sea Livestock Auction, they're having a very light run today. No early listings from Springfield, Farmington, or Vienna yet today. This Saturday, there is a couple of special replacement cow sales around the state. Springfield Livestock Marketing Center, they'll have a special sale Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, expecting about 800 head there. Kingsville Livestock Auction, they've got a special sale this Saturday starting at 11 o'clock. Got about 1,200 head on the early listings there. Friday, the monthly cattle and feed report will be published. Got the pre-report estimates that were just released this morning. On feed numbers, 99.1% of last year with a range of 98.7 to 99.7. Marketing's at 87.1% with a range of 86.5 to 87.6. The placement number, pre-report estimate at 91% of last year with a range of 89 to 93.5. At the auction barns on Tuesday around the state, SEMO livestock sales in Jackson had 424 head. Steers sold $2 to $3 higher. Heifers mixed 5 lower to 4 higher. Interstate regional stockyards in Cuba, they had 692 head. Steers under 650 pounds called 6 to 12 lower. Heifers under 550 pounds, 5 to 15 lower. The heavier weight steers and heifers, 3 to 5 lower. Ozarks Regional Stockyards in West Plains, they had 1,706 head through the barn. Yearlings were steady to $4 lower. Steer calves 3 to 6 lower. Heifer calves 3 to 6 higher. Lawley Brothers Livestock Market in Macon, they had 1,497 head compared to the last special from 3 weeks ago. The steer calves under 600 pounds sold with lower undertones. Heavier weight steers stayed firm. Heifer calves, the best test was 5 to 550 pound heifers. They were steady to firm. They did have 3 full pot loads of some heavy 6-weight heifers off of the same consignment as from the special 3 weeks ago. Those pot loads sold $13 lower than 3 weeks ago. F&T Livestock Market in Palmyra, they had a light run. It was a bred cow special, including in that offering, however, was 61 head of spring-bred heifers, medium and large 1s and 2s. In the first and second stage, they brought 35.50 to 36.75. Kingsville Livestock Auction, they sold 1,096 head. The steers and heifers there mostly steady. Several pot loads of yearlings highlighted the sale and sold with good demand this week. The steers, medium and large ones, some 5 to 6 weights at 428 to 443. Some 6 to 7 weights at 404 to 432.50. Some 8 to 850 pound steers, including several pot loads, 364 to 366.50. Taking a look at the heifers this week. Few 5 to 6 weights at 392 to 419, some 6 to 650 pound heifers at 375 to 380, some 7 to 750 pound heifers, including some pot loads there at 361 to 363 and a quarter. Box beef cutout values continue to fall lower. Choice down $4.89 this morning, $387.73. That choice cutout currently down just over $25 since the 2nd of this month. Select down $4.28 this morning at $368.89. That's down just over $17 for the month now. Volume this morning, 98 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. The choice select spread at $18.84. Negotiated feedlot trade still basically untested for the week. Just under 600 head scattered around the feeding region. Not really enough to establish any kind of a market yet. Last week, the weighted average price on the live sales, $239.50. Dress sales at $376.33. Taking a look at the futures markets at midday, a whole lot of red both on the livestock and the grains today. Live cattle for October, 230.70 down 275. December, 232.25 down 290. February, 233.85 down 315. September feeder cattle at 354.15 down 417. October 348.65 down 565. November feeders at 343.87 down 552. October lean hogs, the only positive on the livestock side at midday, 17 cents higher at 97.55. December's down 40 cents at 87.82. February 89.97, down 22. Taking a look at the grain markets, December new crop corn 3 cents lower, 4.26.5. March at 4.44 1/4, down 2 3/4. May at 4.54 1/4, down 2 1/2. Soybeans are mostly all 6 cents lower at midday. November new crop 10.43 3/4. January 10.63. March at 10.78 1/4. Wheat contracts are 5 to 6 lower. December 5.28 1/4. March at 5.46 1/2. May 5.58. October bean meal down 60 cents a ton at 285.20. The rest of the contracts are from 30 cents to $1, almost $2 out into next summer higher. Soybean oil for October down $1.20 at midday, 51.49. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's your daily market report for Wednesday. This is Paul Hancock.